Hey, you know that pallet of fish we sent out? Where is it? Many smaller freight companies struggle with visibility into the condition of their consignments.
Here at InTruck, we put the device in the truck.
What? Anyway, here's Sam to tell us a little bit more about how it works.
Thanks, Eamonn. The device's base is a Raspberry Pi 4 and has 3 hats stacked on top of it. A Pi Juice battery, which also features programmable LEDs and buttons, a 6-fab base hat with a modem for LTE and GPS, and a Primaroni breakout garden for slotting in 3 sensors. The data is collected from these sensors slotted in, and they are an air quality sensor, which measures temperature and humidity, a luminance sensor, which checks for changes in light, and a 3-axis accelerometer for detecting movement of the device in the case of a free fall.
Wow, that looks really cool. So, where does the data get sent? Nathaniel, can you help us out with that?
Thanks, Eamon and Harris. This data that you mentioned is sent to a cloud server, where it flows to a database through MQTT messaging and a Node-RED service. This data is then served up to any deployment of the front-end web interface through an API that was built with Python's Fast API framework. Thanks. Back to you guys.
Wow, that looks really complicated. So, what does it look like from a user perspective?
Well, Eamon, I'm glad you asked. Let me take you for a tour. Once in the application, users are greeted to a quick glance dashboard showing off all the locations of the current trucks and any relevant summary data. To see the detailed truck data, we can either select the truck in the map or simply select it from the list. Here we can see the most up-to-date data such as environment and battery charge, any historical data of course. This page is also where we can set any configuration settings such as the range of temperatures, exceeding which the users will be alerted. This is the InTruck application in a nutshell.
Let's see how it all comes together. We're going to be tracking the conditions of a car boot. Let's see how it goes.
While Eamon and Harrison take you on a journey, let me get into the specifics. From the power of its sensors, InTruck can record and monitor a range of conditions. Like Eamon and Harrison's pellet of fish, without the proper temperature monitoring, we could be in big trouble. The quality of one's cargo is crucial to the freight industry. You see, that's why InTruck is important. By bringing in more visibility into freight tracking, organizations across the nation can monitor their cargo according to their needs and gather the relevant data to assist them in making future business decisions. Not only does it help them, but it also helps everyone, as everything we see, use, and consume is on the move day in and day out.
Thank you to iMOVE CRC and our Swinburne researchers and supervisor for supporting us.